Constantly fluctuating fuel costs can be both a relief and a burden on drivers.
Sheila Patrick looks into the high cost of diesel fuel and how it's impacting local business.
For some drivers, filling up at the pump is actually not an unpleasant experience. With gas at $2.57 per gallon at most Springfield stations, fueling up won't break the bank.
Well, I'm very happy about it, and I never thought they would go this low again.
But the experience for those operating bigger vehicles is quite different.
They've gotten expensive, gotten out of hand. It's a shame that, you know, the prices don't show how much fuel there quite possibly is out there.
The average cost for diesel fuel in Missouri is about $3.60 per gallon. That's roughly $1 higher than the cost for regular gas. And for those in the trucking industry, it really adds up.
On an average week, I drive around 2,500 miles. I'm going to say I spend about $1,500 a week on fuel.
And the weather hasn't helped. The cold temps make it more difficult to limit diesel use.
You know, you have to leave your trucks running at night to stay warm.
These higher prices are also impacting those in the farming and agriculture industries. Many local farmers I spoke with say their equipment runs on diesel, so the higher prices are impacting their overall operational costs. I reached out to fuel experts to find out exactly why the price for diesel, a byproduct of gas, is so much higher than the fuel it's actually refined from. Here's the explanation I got from senior petroleum analyst at GasBuddy.com. Fuel prices are impacted by multiple factors. For example, global crude oil prices, federal, state, and local taxes, logistics, and the cost of delivering fuel to the end user, which can vary greatly depending on the weather. Fuel experts say there is relief in sight, though, once the fall harvest season comes to an end, and if we have a more mild winter than expected, diesel costs could go back down. In Springfield, Sheila Patrick, KY3 News.
At the beginning of the month, there was about a 70-cent difference between a gallon of gas and diesel. Well, now it's widened to an average of more than $1.